Why, hello there! Ever wondered why birds break into song? Well, it's not just for your morning serenade, I promise. See, they're quite the communicators. Using song, they declare their territory, say, "This place is mine and you'd best keep moving." And that's not all. When a bird sings, it's often an advertisement of sorts. A male bird song is his way of saying, "I'm strong, I'm healthy, and I'd make an excellent mate." Quite the charmers, aren't they? But remember, it's not all about romance and turf wars. Birds use their songs to keep in touch with their flock, to sound an alarm, or even to teach their young. So the next time you hear a bird singing, remember, there's more to that sweet melody than meets the ear. It's a language, a signal, a song of life. Fascinating, isn't it?